morning to one and all. I am Pujita Tumati. I am pursuing degree first year in our TSW RDC Suryapet. Today I am going to explain about the maximum and minimum values with an example. If we find if it is maximum or minimum, we require three working principles. Those are: first we find out the dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. If RST values of R is equals to the dou square f by dou x square and S is equals to the dou square f by dou x dou y and T is equals to the dou square f by dou y square when x equals to a and y equals to b. After we finding dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y equate with this 0. Second one, if rt minus s square greater than 0 and r less than 0, then the function is maximum. Third one, if rt minus s square less than 0 and r greater than 0, then the function is minimum. So let us take an example. This is the question. Discuss the maximum or minimum values of is given by u equals to x cube y square of 1 minus x minus y. So given function is u equals to x cube y square of 1 minus x minus y. This is the first equation. Equation 1, partially differentiate with respect to x. So we get dou u by dou x is equals to, this is in uv formula, uv dash whole dash is equals to u dash v plus uv dash. So u derivation is 3x square y square of 1 minus x minus y plus u take as constant, so x cube y square minus 1 with respect to x, so y becomes 0 and 1 becomes 0. So dou u by dou x is equals to 3x square y square minus 3x cube y square minus 3x square y cube minus plus into minus minus, so minus x cube y square. Dou u by dou x is equals to minus x cube y square and minus 3x cube y square, we will then add, we will get minus 4x cube y square. So 3x square y square minus 4x cube y square minus 3x square y cube. This is the second equation. Now equation 1, partially differentiate with respect to y. So we will get dou u by dou y is equals to 2yx cube of 1 minus x minus y plus x cube y square of minus 1 with respect to y. So minus x becomes 0 and 1 becomes 0. Dou u by dou y is equals to 2yx cube minus 2x power 4y minus 2x cube y square minus x cube y square. Dou u by dou y is equals to this minus x cube y square and minus 2x cube y square add, then we will get minus 3x cube y square. So 2yx cube minus 2x power 4y minus 3x cube y square. This is the third equation. I already told you, after we finding dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y equate with this 0. So dou u by dou x is equals to 0 and dou u by dou y is equals to 0. What is the dou u by dou x? 3x square y square minus 4x cube y square minus 3x square y cube is equals to 0. In these terms, we take common variables. What is that? X square y square. X square y square, then 3 minus 4x minus 3y is equals to 0. 3 minus 4x minus 3y is equals to 0. Minus multiply with these variables, so we will get 4x plus 3y minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the fourth equation. Next, what is the dou u by dou y value? Dou u by dou y is equals to the 2yx cube minus 2x power 4y minus 3x cube y square is equals to 0. What is the common variables? Here x cube y. So 2 minus 2x minus 3y is equals to 0. 2 minus 2x minus 3y is equals to 0. Minus multiply with this term, so we will get 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0. This is the fifth equation. After we solving equation 4 and equation 5. So what is that equation for? 4x plus 3y minus 3 and 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0 is equals to 0. We solve now. Minus plus 2x cancel, minus 1 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to 1, x equals to 1 by 2. Next, this x value substitute in equation 4. So we will get 4 of 1 by 2 plus 3y minus 3 is equals to 0. 2 2s are 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. Then 3y is equals to 1, y equals to 1 by 3. Next we find out the RST values. So we require dou square u by dou x square. Dou square u by dou x square is equals to R. Here we identify the dou u by dou x value. Again differentiate with respect to x. So we will get dou square u by dou x square. 6xy square minus 12x square y square minus 6xy cube. Next we find out the s value, that is dou square u by dou x dou y. Here already we find the dou u by dou y value. Again differentiate with respect to x. So we will get dou square u by dou x dou y, that is 6x square y minus 8x cube y minus 9x square y square. Next we find out the t value. What is the t value? Dou square u by dou y square. Here already we identify the dou u by dou y value. Again differentiate with respect to y. Then we will get dou square u by dou y square. That is 2x cube minus 2x power 4 minus 6yx cube. Now substitute x and y values in RST equations. R is equals to 6, x value is 1 by 2 and y value is 1 by 3. So 1 by 9 minus 12, 1 by 4, 1 by 9 minus 6, 1 by 2, 1 by 27. 2 3s are 3 3s are 1 by 3 minus 4 3s are 3 3s are minus 1 by 3 minus 2 3s are 3 9s are minus 1 by 9. Here plus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 get cancelled. So R value is equals to minus 1 by 9. Next we find out the S value. 6 1 by 4 1 by 3 minus 8 1 by 8 1 by 3 minus 9 1 by 4 and 1 by 9. 3 2s are 2 2s are 1 by 2 minus 8 8 cancel 1 by 3 minus 9 9 cancel minus 1 by 4. Here LCM is 12. 2 6s are minus 3 4s are 4 3s are. So 6 minus 7 by 12. So minus 1 by 12. Here S value is equals to minus 1 by 12. Now we find out the T value. 2 1 by 8 minus 2 1 by 16 minus 6 1 by 3 and 1 by 8. 2 4s are 1 by 4 minus 2 8s are minus 1 by 8 and 3 2s are 2 4s are minus 1 by 4. Here plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 get cancelled. So we will get minus 1 by 8. Now we will find out the RT minus S square. That is R value is equals to minus 1 by 9 and T value is equals to the minus 1 by 12. Minus 1 by 8 and minus S value is equals to the minus 1 by 12 whole square. 1 by 72 minus into minus plus minus 1 by 144. Here LCM is the 144. 2 minus 1 1 by 144. Here RT minus S square greater than 0 and R value is 1 minus 1 by 9. So R less than 0. So the given function is maximum. Thank you for giving this opportunity.